back to the HotBox Kitchen. Cheers. Switching up devices today. I'm using my Peak Pro. I think that's what the name is. Cheers. Apparently playing with a plunger gets the cyclone going faster inside. Let's get cooking. What are we making today? Barbecue cheddar pork burgers. But I swapped out the pork for ground beef. Not a big pork guy. HelloFresh. Some potato hamburger buns, some cheddar cheese, some barbecue sauce, some mayonnaise, some chipotle chili powder, and fry seasoning. We also have an onion that we're not going to use. Gross. And all of our taters. If you're wondering what this is over here, it's my little butter infuser for cannabis. Making some butter, and I'm handing it off to a friend who's making caramels. So I'm pretty excited to try those out. Maybe I'll do an edible one. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do an edible and then do one of these. All right, what do we got to do first, HelloFresh? We're gonna wash and dry the produce. Produce is washed. You might be wondering, Colin, why are you wearing a vest inside? Well, I normally wear a flannel to hold on to the microphone, but I wanted to have my tattoos out. It's cold out in New York, so I gotta wear sweatshirts all the time, and I wanted to have them out. So this is acting as my microphone holder. Sorry, Karen. Let's get to the choppity chop chops. We are quartering these. Pretty small potatoes. Be fries, if you ask me. I already sprayed my pan over here with some olive oil. What? Boom. Bam, bam, bam. Up some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. Almost there. Bop! 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 The final cut. That would have sucked if I cut myself, huh? Alright, we got our taters laid out. We are going to add olive oil. That little stirry stir. I think that was a little bit much olive oil, but you know, make it crispier. Make sure they're all coated all nicely. And then, yeah, we're doing salt, pepper, which I did refill, but I also use a lot of pepper. And then half of the fry seasoning. And they always be giving me issues. Oven is preheating to 425. It appears to be the only cutting that we need, so go away. Washy, 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 washy. What's next, HelloFresh? Well, we'll combine the mayonnaise with the chipotle powder. Yeah, this one is not going to be good to me. But yeah, there we go. A good little slurp. Probably too big of a bowl, but I didn't want to go digging for a smaller one. And then some chili powder. Sorry, chipotle chili powder. Give that a little mixy mix. Mixy, 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 mixy. Mixy, 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 mixy. Definitely way too big of a bowl. Looks good to me. We're just gonna wait for the oven to preheat. Literally, as I clicked it off, it went off. I'm so impatient. Throw these in there. 20 to 25 minutes, and we're gonna start low. 20 minutes. While that is preparing, go ahead and prep our burgers. Grabbing some gloves. I don't like touching meat. Gross. I need more. Open. I'll mold these into our patties now. Patty 1 made. Patty 2 made. I'm gonna grab our salt and pepper, and I'm gonna grab some garlic too, because we love our garlic. And I'm gonna also grab onion powder, since we're not using the onion. Salt, pepper, onion, garlic, and then the rest of our fry seasoning too. Grab another glove. Press those bad boys right in there. Give it a little flippy, and do it all again. Garlic seasoning of the fries. Go a little heavier on this side since I got some left over. Make sure it gets all over like a nice seasoned burger. We ain't got no bland shit around here. And into the pan. Let's make our lives a little easier. Wow! Boigers don't really need to be sprayed, let's be honest, but I'm not trying to have it stick at all. Wow. 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 I can't pet you right now. My hands are all clean. I know. She's getting warm. I think it's ready to go. Oh yeah. Hear the sizzle? Nice. Press that in a little bit, because they're going to shrink some of this in there. Alhamdulillah. Do a little cleanup. Clean your station, chef. Chef. Washy, 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 washy. Oh. I'm not about a little more. I fucked up the words. Seeing how do we shut it down? Pound the alarm. Smells delicioso. I'm only gonna bake one bun because I think this other burger is gonna be my lunch tomorrow. Pound the alarm. Curl's going crazy. Let's grab a little baggie for the other bun. Wrong one. Dude, I don't know why. Let's just go ahead and cut it today. One less step tomorrow. Smart thinking, Colin. Thanks, Colin. Get a nice sear on it. Turn the heat down a little bit. Make sure it's cooked all the way through. I don't like pink. Don't like pink. Hey, what are you doing? You want me to smoke you? Yeah, let's do it. Cheers. Take your broke ass home. If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home. I feel like this thing goes on forever. Let's get back to cooking. Got about 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes on the potatoes. Let's go ahead and throw our bun in. Bow. Bow. They are looking great. I'm rereading the instructions, and half the barbecue sauce was supposed to go into the onions, which is interesting, but open. So let's put half of it into there. Do a little more mixy, 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 mixy. Oh yeah, look at that. A little chipotle mayo barbecue. Delicious. Delicioso. Okay, we're not gonna need any more chili powder, so garbage. Open up our cheese. Get that ready. Give these a nice press. These buns are probably good. To my Nick Fiends, cheers. Grab a lid real quick to help those finish cooking a little bit faster since the taters are almost done. It'll also help our cheese get all melty. I'm recording an episode of the HotBox Kitchen. Taters are done. Just gonna turn that off, let them stay in there. Let's open one of these up just to give it a quick check. Yeah, I think they're ready for some cheese. Get that right on there. And let the cheesy do the melty melts. Let's go ahead and prep our buns. Get a little saucy sauce on each side. What about your sauce tomorrow, Colin? I got all these ingredients in my personal collection. I can remake it. I like my shit saucy. We already know this. I like my shit saucy. I like my shit saucy. Plus these are potato buns. It's probably gonna soak that sauce right in. I think that's all the sauce we're gonna get out of there. I'll clean. Cheese just needs another minute. Let's get our taters out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Move these ones up and out of. Oh yeah. Those are nice and crispy. Let's move them out of the grease. Olive oil, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt because I feel like the olive oil ate up a lot of it. Boigers, oh yeah. Ooh, I had the time of my life. Baby, ooh, give me the time of my life. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, let's move that off of the heat. You already know I'm about to eat a majority of these potatoes. These wouldn't really be good reheated, so lost a couple in the war. Oh fuck. Moment of silence for the ones that we lost. It's long enough. Ta-da! Ta-da! Go ahead and top that burger. I have pickles. Sorry, burger. What kind of pickles? I got bread and butter pickles. Go ahead and shit on them. Go ahead and shit on them. Blocked. You know, knife real quick so we can cut our burger. Ah, look at that. You can see that steam. So good. Try our taters. Killer as always. One more. I'm happy I added that little bit of extra salt. Give our burger a try. So good. Sure is saucy. I need another tater. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna go eat this shit up. Thanks for joining me.